Guys, this is Rocket Man Genesis here, and I'm going to show you how to install Pygame. So you open your Windows Administrator PowerShell, and you type in this figure here, PIP, and then you press Enter, right? Press Enter, and this stuff here will show up at the bottom. It may take a few minutes. Okay, after you type in pip, you type in this here, right here, Python, and then a space, then you have a dash here, an M, then another space, then type in pip. Then you have a space, then click install, then sorry, type in install, and then you have a space here again, and then a dash, and then a capital U, then a space, and then pip. Then you press enter. After you press enter, this should show up and successfully installed pip. Okay, then after that, you type in again pip space install space Pygame. Click enter. Then this stuff will show up again, blah, 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 right? Then you type in pip space install space pg0, and then you have a shoot parentheses, 7, and then close your parentheses, and then you press enter again. It's gonna download all pg0, and then you're done, guys. And that's it. That's all, folks.